Form 8880 claims the Savers Credit, formerly the Retirement Savings Contributions Credit. It rewards lower and middle-income taxpayers for contributing to a retirement account, like an IRA or a 401k. The credit is worth 10, 20, or 50% of up to $2,000 of contributions, depending on your income and filing status. Enter your name and Social Security number as on your Form 1040. Enter your eligible retirement contributions for the year. The credit rate drops as your income rises and disappears entirely above the year's limit, so it is targeted at modest earners. You also cannot claim it if you were a full-time student or are claimed as a dependent. The credit is non-refundable, so it can reduce your tax to zero but will not create a refund on its own. It is one of the most overlooked credits, so it is worth checking if you contributed to retirement. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.